This is the TailMate 2.0 designed specifically for 1 by 8 inch nominal lumber. That means boards typically sold as 1 by 8 inches at your local hardware store. In reality, those boards measure 3/4 of an inch thick and 7 1/4 inches wide, or 19 by 184 millimeters. TailMate 2.0 is precision engineered to match those real-world dimensions, ensuring a tight, symmetrical dovetail fit right out of the box. No adjustments or calibration needed. Whether you're building drawers, boxes, or cabinet frames, this jig is built to save time and deliver consistent, professional results. We begin by routing the tailboard. This will form the dovetail pins. Secure the TailMate jig firmly to your workpiece using clamps. For best results, use a 3/8 inch spiral upcut router bit guided by a 1/2 inch guide bushing. Both are standard for router joinery. Then simply follow the profile of the jig with your router. There's no measuring or guesswork involved. The jig automatically ensures perfect spacing and alignment for tight, symmetrical joints every time. It's fast, precise, and easy, even on your first try. Next, we move on to the dovetail board. This will receive the matching sockets. Position the jig over the board and secure it with clamps, just like before. Using the same 3/8 inch spiral upcut bit and 1/2 inch guide bushing, follow the profile of the jig slowly and steadily. To ensure crisp, clean corners, especially on deeper joints, it's a good idea to plunge the bit slightly at each outer edge before routing the full shape. This helps prevent tear out and gives you a smoother fit. The TailMate handles all the spacing and alignment, so you can focus on the cut. Just follow the guide and let the jig do the thinking. Assembly is quick and satisfying. There's no CNC, no complicated math, and no templates to align manually. Just clean, consistent dovetail joints every single time. The pins and sockets drop perfectly into place, thanks to the jig's built-in accuracy. A light tap with a mallet is usually all it takes to seat the joint snugly. This is fast, precise joinery made for real woodworkers, whether you're building a one-off box or producing dozens of drawers. TailMate 2.0 brings the reliability of CNC-level precision to your router table or handheld setup, all without the cost or complexity.